Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get TradingView on your PC. You have two primary options. Either download the dedicated desktop application or simply access it through your web browser. Both methods offer the full suite of powerful charting and analysis tools, ensuring you can trade and analyze markets effectively from your computer. Let's dive into each option. To install the desktop application, first navigate to the official TradingView website. Look for the Downloads or Desktop App section. From there, select the appropriate installer for your operating system, whether it's Windows or Mac OS. Once downloaded, simply run the installer and follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to complete the setup. If you prefer not to install an application, TradingView is fully accessible through your web browser. Just open your favorite browser, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, and go to the TradingView website. Log into your account and you'll find the complete range of charting, analysis, and community features available, just as they are in the desktop app. Whether you choose the desktop application or the web browser, TradingView provides a robust platform for your trading needs. The desktop app offers a focused, distraction-free environment, perfect for deep analysis. Meanwhile, browser access gives you incredible flexibility, letting you use TradingView on any computer with an internet connection. For those looking to streamline their home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link in the description, along with other great deals. Both options ensure you have powerful tools at your fingertips.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.